Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is Jolu. I am here again today to share what I think is pretty cool with you. Should be. Anyway, so as you can see here, I have like an album, and it's I have some stickers that I use, and so I spelled out Jolu, and this one sticker was pretty cool. It had like an ink pen, so I'm artsy, and then I have this little purse. And I'll let you know what that's about in a few minutes. So let me start with the stickers. I got the stickers from this book here, Imaginarium. Pretty cool book. In the back here, it has like initials, and so I got some initials from that. And then you go, it's got a little bit of washi tape type stuff. A bunch of different type of stickers here. Just a bunch of different antique ones, just some flowers and some butterflies and just all kinds of stickers. It was worth it. It was a thick book. I think it might have been $10 or $11. I don't like to spend a bunch of money, but when you get something this much, you can use it for... I've already used some already, and there's just tons of, just tons of these stickers. Okay, so that's how I got my lettering. Look how thick that book is. I know people have shown it before, but I used it, so I want to show it. Right? So this is, like a washi. I wanted something sparkly. I don't know if you can tell. It's sparkly on the video, but sparkly and kind of a little rough, so I just wanted to decorate this. This is like it's a photo album. I got this at the thrift store / trading store, and it was $2. And if you want to buy something new like this, I believe it's about $4, something like that on Amazon. But I got this used, so I got a good deal. So now I'm going to just open up the very middle of it. I want to show you this first before I show you anything else. 1, 2, right, on either side, and they have these little openings where you can put stuff in, right? Pictures, normally pictures, right? But that's not what I used it for, okay? So I'm going to show you what I used it for, and let's see, I was trying to get this to dry. This is going to be my dollar book. I just started it. I'm calling it my dollar book. Now, it's a money savings book, and I can save whatever. Each month is a goal to save something each month, okay? And I'm doing the dollar because that's the easiest for me, right? Anybody can use 5, 10, do whatever you want. I'm doing the dollar. So, it just started. So April, this right here, I used whiteout, okay? And then I used a marker, a washable marker, and put in April, okay, with the whiteout. And it stays nice, it's dry, okay? It's not smearing. So that's what I did for that. And then then I put the dollar in, see? And then I slid the dollar in there. There's 100 pages, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So 100 times 4. 400. Anyway, so my cats are starting to mess around. Hang on just a minute. So anyway, I counted them up, and so if you were to save the money, you'd get $400. And my idea here is what you do. Okay, I'm using this is like a kind of metalish magnet as a bookmark. Okay, and so you can just move it whenever you want to the next page where you left off. Okay, it's not like a regular bookmark where you You know, you put the bookmark in, something like this, and then you fold it up and, no. This is a cool type of way to mark things. Okay, so anyway, by the time you get to the end of the book, what you could do is go back to the front, and you can wipe this out if you want, or just write the next month. Let's say you got done on January. No, let's say February. So you go back over here and write Feb, and then the next is you put 2 in, right? You put another one in. So then you start all the way over again. Depending on, you might have a goal to save half of it. You put some notes here. What you can do is take your bills, figure out for that month, and you wipe it off. You just wipe it off. This is a cool crayon, and I'm going to be doing some pictures with this. It's called Not Your Ordinary Crayon. So, like, I don't know what I can draw here. Let's just draw a star, okay? So, and you can put the bills down. Oh, $100 for insurance, whatever. And then just write it down, bills, and then when you get done and you figure it out, how much you can put in, you can just wipe it off. Now, I wipe off the napkin, then I take a little bit of alcohol, and you can do this with water too, but I find that the alcohol is the best. See? And I got, what is this? Okay, this didn't come with the photo album. So I got this off of a sticker album, which I went and bought used. I think it was less than $1 or maybe $1. So it's a sticker album, and I cut it out, and I placed it on here, glued it, and it did come with stickers, okay? It did come with stickers, which was pretty cute. So that's what I did. Now, if you want to, you could just use Post-it notes. Take them off whenever you want, whatever you want. Okay, so I used the liquid paper again. It's a little rough, but that's what it is. And I decorated the corners here as well. And then each time I'm doing like something, I want to put a happy face on, because that's the start. A little sticker that comes off. Like I've showed you guys before in another album. This is like a reusable sticker book. So I've got my little cat that's got like a little crown. I like cats and I like crowns. Okay, so that's how I got started, as you can see. And what I did was also, I made a pocket in the back, because it didn't come with a pocket. And I'm going to show you the pocket, how I did it. Oh, and how I did it was these envelopes, the smaller envelopes, and I cut an envelope, all right? And what I did was I painted it with acrylic, like a pink with a little bit of gold, and made a pocket. And I put stickers in there. And here's my pig, because I wanted a pig because it's like a savings, piggy bank, but only it's my dollar book. But I wanted a little pig, and I made my little flower. I did a little bit of everything, and I wrote, "You don't have to be a slave to save." Okay? Now, my writing, hasn't really dried all the way because I just got through doing this. So I'm just going to take a little bit of alcohol, right? Spray it on there. You got to let it dry, okay? But look, it just comes off so easy. So I put my stickers all in here, okay? Now, if you want to, like I said, all you have to do is sticky notes. You can do sticky notes, put it on there, and put them whatever you want. You can put it on top of here, write a note. Okay, save money for this, save money for that, whatever. Now, what I did was, I know you're going to think it's a little kooky, but I found this little, it looks like a little turd. It's cute. I'm going to take it off and peel it off real slow because I don't want to rip it. But this part right here doesn't stick as good, so I'm probably going to put this little guy somewhere else. Now, if you want to borrow money from your dollar, my suggestion is if you borrow from your dollars, when you bring it back, you have to put 2 in. You have to put 2 in. Okay? So then if you come back around and finish this book, you're going to have 3 instead. You got to put 2 in. Okay? To pay back because you're borrowing on it. Now, in place of that, I got this little sticker that looks, it's kind of cute. You know it looks like a little turd. There you go. That's a reminder. Hey, that's blank. I know it's a little goofy, but it's cute. It's kind of cute, but it's like, you're doing yourself wrong. So, anyway, I might just put this little guy here because I think he's going to peel off easier. Right? And he's going to be ready at any time. Now, hopefully only borrow $1. You know. So anyway, like I said, I really didn't want to do this video while my cat's asleep, so I didn't wait as long as I should have for this black to dry. But I use this, now this is cool, I use this marker called, it's Mondo Llama. I like this. It's a washable marker, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool marker. Okay, it's better than just your regular washable, but it's not the permanent. That. And then this is like a crayon, and not your ordinary crayon. It's pretty. This is really fun. Okay, regular crayon will not work. I will show you. I tried a regular crayon. I will show you if I can find my crayons. It's too waxy. Just too waxy. Okay, didn't work. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to get out my regular, I got this bag, and I got my other, these are cool. These, not your ordinary crayon. These are so cool. I'll be drawing a picture and showing it to you, and coloring. I'm going to do an art piece with it. I love these. So, I'm going to just take a regular crayon. Let's try, let's go with let's try like a blue or something, okay? I don't want to go with black. Let's go with blue because I want blue to be dark enough. But, okay. So look. Try to make a star. All right. It kind of makes it, but look at that. It's all waxy buildup. Look at that. Like, oh, wait. Not cool. Okay. Not even. Crayola, it doesn't matter. It's not going to work. And then when I take it and go like that, look at that crayon. That is just, it's awesome. It's just, you could write with it and everything and say, okay, you can write April, right? Goal. And then you put, okay, $10, let's just say. $10. So then that month of April goes by, all right? So you're done with April. You don't really need to keep the April part. You just wipe it off. Wipe it off and start over again with the next month. Put the money back, of course, here. Put this dollar back. This is the simplest thing. Other people, they do this, but they have, all this complicated stuff in there, and just all this stuff, and it's just too complicated, okay? Just too complicated, all right? I don't want to wet this too much. Let that dry a little bit and then get the rest of it off. But anyway, they make it way too complicated, okay? So, this is like a simple way of doing things. Just simple. Now, I don't know if this red will come off, but I'm going to let it dry a little bit. Okay, it's coming off anyway. Somehow I smeared it. Not cool. But you know what this... all I have to do is put a piece of washi tape right there. Decorative, and end of problem. End of story, end of the problem. I'm not even worried about it. Doesn't come off. I just go in my fun book here. Take out some washi tape. And right there. Take it that. I'm just going to decorate it like that. Not a problem. Okay, so that's it. Now, my little purse here, right? I have stickers for that. This is just cute. This is like little kids kind of. I like all kinds of stuff. Little kids kind of stickers, right? I like the shiny stuff. Oh, and here's my hand. This hand is going to be going somewhere. Okay. So that's fun, right? And then I got all those stickers in the back book. All right. This is really long. I don't want it to stick out. So I might just like cut it down a little bit. And the fish one, I'm going to stick in there. Look at that. That pocket's pretty cool. And I like it. I like it. Like, it's a nice pocket. And I think that package here for $5, I'm pretty sure it was like $1 for 5 of them. Just cut them in half. Okay. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. And like I said, one day, someday soon, I will be doing artwork with these not your ordinary crayon. Well, we're not ordinary people either, are we? Okie doke. You have a great weekend, day, evening. And please like and subscribe to my channel. It would make me so happy to follow me. And I'm always trying to think of new stuff. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you can use some of my ideas. Bye.